Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering off and unplugging the amplifier and speakers to remove any shock or short risk. Once done, label each wire and terminal with tape so you can restore polarity and channels correctly. Prepare parts: new binding posts or spring terminals, a soldering iron, desoldering braid or solder sucker, wire strippers, pliers, and heat shrink. Make sure you have a small Phillips and flat screwdriver. You want everything at hand to avoid mistakes once you open the chassis. You open the chassis and locate the speaker terminal assembly, observing any insulating washers and ground straps so you can reassemble them correctly. Carefully desolder the speaker leads or unbolt the terminal screws. Use a solder sucker to clear old solder and clean pads with isopropyl. Remove corrosion from the panel area with a brush. Insert the new terminal, aligning washers and threads. Solder the wire with a clean joint or snugly tighten the bolt connections. Verify no stray strands can short. Once the new terminals are in place, reconnect the speaker wires and power up the system at low volume for an initial continuity and polarity check. Listen for hums or intermittent noise. Make sure all screws, gaskets, and insulating washers are seated before fully reassembling the chassis and tightening panel fasteners. Finally, do a longer listening test at a moderate level. If you hear distortion or dropouts, recheck solder joints and wire strands for shorts. Use a multimeter to verify continuity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.